Hello, I'm Dave Hurst, CTO of Athena Security, here today to introduce you to the new Change Impact Monitor in Athena Firepack. You know, when you have a lot of firewalls and routers on your network, keeping track of changes can be difficult. You need to know that a change happened, and you want to know what was the effect of that change. Was it an unscheduled change? Was it applied correctly? Did it open up a hole into your network, allowing hackers access to private customer data? Let's see how Change Impact Monitor will give you the intelligence you need about configuration changes in your network.
When Firepack updates a configuration from a firewall or router, it is able to compare the differences between the old and new configurations. Here, I've scheduled an update task to run once a day at 1 in the morning. This will capture any changes that have happened to the specified devices during the previous day. Now I'd like to monitor those changes to see if anything untoward has happened. I'll select several firewalls to be monitored, and then click on the Impact Monitor tool button to schedule a monitoring task. Impact Monitor gives you 3 different reports to choose from to help you understand the effect of any changes. The Rule Object Differences report will identify any changes to the rule and object definitions that might have an effect on the behavior of the firewall. The Security Audit Comparison report will detect any deviations from the security policy that you've specified for each firewall. The security checks are highly customizable and can be oriented towards security audits or service availability checks for critical hosts. The Traffic Flow Differences report will identify any changes in the traffic allowed through the firewall. In this case, I'll select all 3 reports. Next, I'll specify my email address as the recipient for the notification message that is sent when the monitor task is completed. Then, I'll specify the schedule for executing the monitoring task. In this case, I want to run it after the update task is run, so I'll set the task start time for 1:30 a.m. and have it execute once a day. And finally, I'll give the task a name so we can identify it in the task schedule. Once scheduled, an entry for the task is displayed in the Scheduled Tasks view here. The task will now automatically run in the background, checking for configuration changes and notifying me when there is one. Later, I received a notification that the Impact Monitor had detected a change. Now, I'll review the generated reports. In the Rule Object Differences report, we see the rules and objects that were affected by the changes in the configuration. A change summary for each rule is indicated here on the left. The actual changes in each rule are highlighted in red. If I click on the link in the Impact Summary column, we see the differences in traffic flow associated with that particular rule. The Security Audit Comparison report shows the change in security posture for the firewall resulting from the updated configuration. The individual security checks that failed are listed. Here we see that one check, C31, Mail Services Allowed from External Zone to Internal Zone, that previously failed, is now passing.
As we have seen, the Change Impact Monitor tool in Firepack allows you to monitor your firewalls and routers for configuration changes, and to notify you of the effects of those changes on the behavior and security posture of your devices. The generated reports are highly actionable and contain drill-down information that makes it easy to fix problems that are detected. Firepack also offers additional tools such as query, policy comparison, security audit, and traffic flow debugger to help you isolate the root causes of these problems.
For more information about Firepack or Athena's other firewall and network solutions, please visit our website at www.athenasecurity.net or send an email to sales@athenasecurity.net. And thanks for watching.